Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are perimeter, area of rectangles and parallelograms, area of triangles, circles, calculate area, circumference, radius, and diameter. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 7 math chapter we're on right now is geometric measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is perimeter. So let's just start with the lesson. What is the value of z? You are given the parameter, that is 18. You need to calculate the value of z. So parameter is sum of all the given sides, right? So you are given two of the sides. Just add two sides, that is 6 plus 6 makes 12, right? But you are given the sum of all three sides equal 18. So you have to subtract that sum of the two sides out of the parameter. So 12, 18 minus 12 equals 6. So the correct option is 6 feet. Let's just start with the test questions. Look at this square. What is the value of b? You are given the parameter, that is 72 feet, right? So that is a square. Square has all four sides equal in measurement. Okay, so the all the sides are equal in measurement. So if one of the side is v, the rest of the three sides are also v. So that is then v plus v plus v plus v, and their sum equals 72. So 4v equals 72. You need to calculate the value of v only. So you have to divide both sides by 4. That is v equals 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 8 is 32. So the correct option is 18 feet. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 18 feet. What is the parameter? That is, you need to add the parameters, the sum of all the sides. So you just have to add all the sides. So that is 9 meters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, so let's just move on to next one. What is the value of z? You are given the parameter equals 18 feet, right? So the parameter is z plus 6 plus 6 and the sum equals 18, right? So that is z plus 12 equals 18. Move 12 other side. So that is z equals 18 minus 12, and 18 minus 12 is 6. Correct option is option number 2, that is 6 feet. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 6 feet. What is the parameter of this square? So which is the correct option? You are given one of the side, that is 16, right? You need to calculate the parameter. So for the parameter, you have to add all the sides. So that is 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, because that is a square. Square has all sides equal in my length, right? So that is 64 centimeter. That is 64 centimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the value of q. So you need to calculate the value of q. You are given the parameter 27 kilometer. That is q plus 7 plus 12, and that equals 27. 2q plus 19 equals 27. 2q equals 27 minus 19. 27 minus 19 is 8. Q equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 4 kilometer. Look at the this parallelogram, find the value of t. So you have to calculate the value of t, that is t plus 2 plus 2, that equals 36. So 2t plus 4 equals 36. 2t equals 36 minus 4, that is 32. 2t equals 30t and t equals 16. The correct option is 16 yards. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, what is the parameter? You need to add all the given sides. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18 is 36, 37, 38, 39. The correct option is option number 1, that is 39 inches. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of rectangles and parallelograms. What is the missing length? Area of the rectangle is length time width, right? You are given the length only, you need to calculate the width. So that is 5 times p equals 15 and p equals 3. The correct option is 3. Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see. What is the area? The area of the rectangle is length time width. So you have to do 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54 square feet. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 54 square feet. What is the missing length? So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is a rectangle, right? Length time width equals the area is length time width. Area is 35. The length is 7. You need to calculate the width. So the width is you have to divide both sides by 7. That is 5 kilometer. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the missing length? So, which is the correct option? That is 9 times 7 is 63. So, that is 9 yards. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of the square? So, which is the correct option? That is 16 square inches. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? That is 10 times 5 is 50. That is 50 square meters. What is the area? Which is the correct option? That is 10 times 10 equals 100 square feet. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? That is 24 square centimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the missing length? That is 5 times 3 is the correct option. That is 3 inches. What is the missing length? Which is the correct option? That is 6 times 8 is 48. So the correct option is 8 inches. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the missing length? Which is the correct option? That is 8 times 7 is 56. The correct option is 7 meters. That is 9 times 8 is 72. So the correct option is 72 square meters. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 8 times 6 equals 48. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is area of triangles. What is the area? You are given a triangle. So area of the triangle is half times base times height, right? That is 1 by 2 times 10 times 8, that is 40 square meters. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is the area? So you are given a triangle. You have to calculate the area. So that is area equals half times base times height. So that is 1 by 2 times the base is 10, the height is 9. So that is 90 divided by 2 is 45 square meter. The correct option is 45. The correct option is option number 1, that is 45 square meters. What is the area which is the correct option? That is half times base times height. So that is 16 square miles. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded region? Half times base times height. So that is 8 times 5 is 40 and 40 divided by 2 is, that is option number 1 is the correct option, that is 20 square inches. What is the area which is the correct option? That is half times base times height. So the correct option is that is 8 square centimeter. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 10 times half times base times height. So the correct option is that is 25 square kilometers. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is half times base times height. That is 9 square centimeter. So the next lesson is that is half times base times height. So that is 28 square millimeters. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of shaded region which is the correct option? That is 6 times 4 is 24, half times base times height. So that is 12 square centimeter. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is circles, calculate area, circumference, radius, and diameter. What is the radius of the circle? Sorry, the radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. What is the circle's diameter? So the radius is from the center of the circle to any point on the circle, that is the radius, right? And the diameter is the line that is passing through the center of the circle and that touch the circle at the 2 points. So the radius is 2 meter. The diameter is 2 times the radius. That is 2 times 2 is 4. So diameter equals 2r, that is 4. Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we calculate the diameter of the circle is 8 kilometer. What is the circle's radius? You need to calculate the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is that half of the diameter. That is diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 8, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that is 4 kilometers. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the circumference of the circle? 12.5. Sorry, the circumference of the circle is 12.5 yards. What is a circle's diameter? You are given C equals, that is circumference, right? The formula to calculate the circumference is C equals 2 pi r. You are given the circumference, that is 12.56. You need to calculate the r. So you need to divide both sides by 2 pi, right? So just divide it by the 2 pi, then r equals 12.256 and divided by 2r, equal, hold on, let me just divide 12.56 divided by 2. 2 times 3.14. That is 2. The correct option is 2. 2 times 3.14. So 12.56 divided by 6.28. That is 2. Hmm, let's just see what's wrong with the solution. Hold on. 4y. Oh, pi d, it is not 2 pi. That is 4 yards. Okay, got it. The next one is, what is the radius of the circle is 2 meters. What is the circle's diameter? So diameter equals 2 times r. So that is 2 times 2 equals 4. That is 2 times r. So the correct option is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. The radius of the circle is 2 millimeters. What is the circle's circumference? The correct option is C equals 2 pi r. So that would be 12.56. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is, the diameter of the circle is D equals 6 meters. So the circumference is, that is C equals 2 pi r. So the correct option is 18.84. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is, the radius equals 4 millimeter. The circumference is 2 pi r. That is 4 times 3 is 12 and 25.12 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we were working on is geometric measurement. The lessons we have covered today are parameter, area of rectangles and parallelograms, area of triangles and circles, calculate area, circumference, radius and diameter. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.